What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we are going to check out the all new Presidio Stay Clear case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, check it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So Speck has introduced a new clear case for the iPhone XS and XS Max, and that is their Stay Clear case. So basically it's kind of like their Presidio Clear that they released last year for the iPhone X, but this year they specifically designed this case to resist yellowing. So like the past Presidio cases I reviewed from Speck, it is a hybrid style case with their Impactium TPU style material fused to a polycarbonate, in this case a clear shell. Anyways, here is a gold iPhone XS Max. We'll install it onto the case. Goes on pretty easy. Anyways, taking a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer. Starting off with the top here, you do have an excellent amount of top protection with the Impactium material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. Moving on to the side of the case, you do have covers for your volume rockers, a cover for the vibrate and ringer switch, as well as a cover for the power button as well. On the bottom of the case, you have 3 individual cutouts for stereo speakers, mic, and lightning ports. One thing I like about Speck is that they reinforce the bottom part here with additional plastic, so the bottom part doesn't sag, which is one thing I like about this case. And finally, on the back side here is the most highlighted feature of this case, and that is the all clear back that shows off the color of your iPhone and that nice shiny new bezel. One thing I like about Speck here is that they try to make sure that every part of the back plate here it was one single piece, so there weren't any lines or any parts where it looked like 2 pieces were put together, so it's a single whole piece that really shows off the iPhone. The only thing on here, of course, is the Speck logo on the top corner. The cutout around the dual camera flash is pretty precise, and overall, a very nice clear case for the iPhone XS. One thing that you can't really tell in the video is that the entire back part of this case on the inside has this really fine dotted texture, and that is actually to prevent any of that oily effect when you have 2 pieces of clear material, in this case a clear glass back and a clear piece of plastic, from smudging. So this prevents any of that oily effect. You can notice that dotted texture like super up close to your eye, but as you can see from this video, it's really unnoticeable at all. And for those of you wondering about the wireless charging capabilities of this case with the phone on, place it on top of a wireless charger, and you can see it works without any issues. Overall guys, I'm pretty impressed with the new Presidio Stay Clear case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. For those of you who are looking for a clear case from a cosmetic standpoint, it's a very nice looking case, and from a protective standpoint, it's also very protective as well, as the Presidio cases are rated for military grade drop protection. With 2 layers of protection, Speck does state that it is 8 feet drop tested. The case itself does have a really nice polish finish to it. Now, like any clear plastic, it will scratch eventually over time, but with a polished finish, it's kind of like a clear coat on your car. It's designed to resist scratches. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I could say is that the buttons on the side of the case here, they don't feel like actual buttons. You can feel a slight little tactile feedback when you press on them, but they're definitely not the best designed buttons out there. However, as you can see, they do work. The only other thing I don't like about this case is that the clear Impactium material that Speck uses for the clear case is quite sticky, so it does make taking the case off a little bit difficult, but it does come off, which you can see here. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a protective clear case for your brand new XS or XS Max, you definitely can't go wrong with the Presidio Stay Clear case from Speck. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.